Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix a USB flash drive not for data recovery. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. Select your USB or pen drive. Type select space, disk space, 1. Type clean. Create space, partition space, primary. Type format space, fs = FAT32 space, quick. Type active. Type assign. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.